Let's quickly discuss about twinning. What is twinning or multiple pregnancy? When more than one conceptus develop simultaneously in the same pregnancy, we call it as twinning. So twinning is when we have two conceptus developing together in the same pregnancy. Now, there are two important types of twins, dizygotic twins and monozygotic twins. What are dizygotic twins? As the name suggests, here we have two different zygotes. So, two oocytes which are fertilized by two different spermatozoa develop independently within the uterine cavity, giving rise to two embryonic discs and two developing embryos, right. So, dizygotic twins need not be genetically identical, and they are not genetically identical, even their gender or sex can be different. This is how dizygotic twins are produced. Usually dizygotic twins are diamniotic and dichorionic. So, we have two separate chorionic cavity and we have two separate amniotic cavity, right. Compare this with the monozygotic twins. In case of monozygotic twins, we have a single zygote that gives rise to two developing fetuses or embryo. How does this happen? This usually happens when the division of the growing blastocyst occurs beyond 7 days or 8 days, right. So, a single blastocyst is now split into two embryoblasts, and these two embryoblasts will grow within the same chorionic cavity. So, monozygotic twins are usually diamniotic but monochorionic. Monozygotic twins are usually identical twins, they belong to the same sex or gender, and they are also genetically identical. Monozygotic twins can also be formed by one more rarest possibility, and this rare possibility is when early separation of the developing conceptus occurs, usually when the conceptus is in 4-cell or 8-cell stage. Here again we have two separate embryoblasts or blastocysts which will get implanted and develop similar to dizygotic twins. Here it is difficult to distinguish them from the dizygotic twins. The only possible way is even these monozygotic twins will be genetically identical and their gender or sex will also be the same. So, this is how dizygotic twins and monozygotic twins are formed.